How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch the app and check if Instagram broadcast channel option is showing or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, open this option iPhone storage. Now over here you're gonna find different apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and click on the app Instagram, open it. Now click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom you'll see this option of help, click on it. Go ahead and click on the option of report a problem. Now click on report without shaking. Click on include and continue. Now over here you have to briefly explain about your problem that broadcast channel is not showing. Once you type in that, you can send it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.